Since many of you want to know about all the settings of car FM radio, in this video, I'll show you the complete settings related to car FM radio on your Android car stereo system. Stay tuned with SetNFix for more. When you open the Car FM radio app on your Android car stereo, you'll see several buttons on the screen. You can change channels one by one by adjusting this dial, or tap this button to switch between FM1, FM2, FM3, or other available modes. If you want to save your favorite frequency, simply tap the Save panel. You'll see your saved details appear here. This button allows automatic scanning, which searches and saves all available FM channels into preset slots. Next, this button lets you switch between DX and LOC modes. DX stands for distance, used for long-range signals, while LOC means local, reducing sensitivity to avoid interference from nearby strong stations. You can also set FM sensitivity to auto or manual mode. In manual mode, you can fine-tune the sensitivity level. Here you can toggle RDS mode on or off and even select your radio region, whether you're in the USA, Europe, Russia, or Japan. When RDS mode is activated, three options appear. RDS, or Radio Data System, sends extra information like song titles, traffic updates, and time data. You can adjust PTY to choose types of stations like news, education, or entertainment, and toggle TA and AF functions as needed. You can also switch between stereo and mono modes. To save a channel, just select a frequency, name your station, and hit save. Your new station will appear on the list. When you turn off RDS mode, you'll notice that some extra buttons disappear, making the interface simpler. These are all the main settings for the car FM radio in your Android car stereo. You can reset everything to default or customize them as you like. If you learned something new from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix.